you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin Krew and you're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin Krew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. As you can tell by the title, the description, and all of that good shenanigans, this is a wig installation and review video. Now, it's a little different than a regular wig installation because it is glueless, so it's more like a wig try-on, but it's slightly installed and it's styled a little bit, so it might as well be known as an installation. I'm not going to speak about this video too much. I'm about to try to wrap this up. So if you're ready to see me install and review this hair, then continue to watch. But before you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when what the Kweenpin is posting. Also, feel free to follow me on my socials. We have fun over there. Alright y'all, let's get into the video. Today's wig is by Aisi hair on Amazon. I'll put the link down below or somewhere inside or both. This is the beautiful box that it comes in. As you can see, I already have a wig cap on, so yeah. This is a glueless wig. It's supposed to be a straight bob, 10 inches. We have the wig right here. Let's see if it came with any goodies, which it did. It did come with some goodies. Yes, we have some HD wig caps. These are my faves. I love HD wig caps. We got some nails. They're kind of cute. I like that wig companies started giving nails instead of lashes because that is so nice. They're like, you know what? Forget the lashes. You're getting press-ons, which I'm a press-on girly, so thank you. As you guys know, I'm going to put the company name somewhere around here, so be on the lookout for that. It is an Amazon store, so they're easily accessible. Now let's see what the hair actually looks like. Okay, of course, it came with an adjustable band. You gotta love these. These definitely come in handy. They are a necessity for glueless. Okay, it also states that it's pre-plucked, so let's make sure. Oh, and they said they pre-bleached the knots, which they did. It is a 4x4. She's cute so far. Fresh out the pack, the hair is really soft. I mean, it really is soft. It feels like good quality. I'm gonna insert the elastic band, but let me show you guys the 4x4. I can already tell this is gonna be a short video because it is just a glueless, but I am gonna do a little review on if I like it or not. I am gonna go in and color the lace just so it matches me more. I know you don't necessarily need to install a 4x4, but sometimes I just like the extra security. Before I actually try this wig on, I am going to do the method I usually do for if I'm actually installing a wig. So I'm just gonna prep that right now. Shout outs to Aisi hair. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued spray. The blasting freeze spray is always going to be a staple. I don't care what comes out. Rub that in. I'm going to blow dry this so it adheres faster. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Cream 3D Contour Kit. This shade. Something about this is just so therapeutic. Alright, let's cut this off. Through the eyes. Boom. I'm gonna leave this intact. And I'ma just tie it in the back. And I'ma tuck it. So it looks like this. Cut a line. And then I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor for the rest. Who not cute bald head? Now it's time for the moment of truth. We are going to put the wig on. Make sure you guys like this video while you're here. I'm gonna adjust the strap a little bit just to make it tighter. Always adjust the fit. Also, before I put it on, I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna smooth it all back real quick. Now I am gonna take a little mousse and I'm gonna put it on it just a little. Comb that in. Now let's hot comb it back. I'm gonna do the rest on my head, so I'm gonna just do it lightly. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's place this on and finish styling it. I'm gonna start with the elastic band part. Put that on and all the way back. I'm looking like somebody's mama. Get your ass in that car. Alright, let's style it real quick. Hold on. More mousse. Comb that through. I'm not about to pluck right now. Just a little wax. Wax it right here. Wax it right here. And you know, all the places you want to wax your hair. Oof. Before I style it, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. For that, I'm going to use my eyebrow razor. Now it's giving glueless. I mean, of course you're going to want to cover up the edges, but other than that, let's get to really styling now though. I'm going to carve out some baby hairs. You don't have to, but I'm going to do some baby hairs with this because I like to for glueless wigs to make them look more realistic. I'm going to do the 2-finger method. You're going to take your 2 fingers, lay them at the parts, and then do a swoop from this side. A little swoop. So these are my 2 little half circles-ish. They're not super duper even, but they're as even as they're gonna get today. I'm gonna flatten to the back. Like this. Now you can either pluck these a little, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pluck these out to thin them out a little bit, the baby hairs. And then I'm gonna cut them and do a swoop. You can opt to curl these towards your face or away from your face or however you want to do it. I don't feel like doing that right now. So I'm just going to take some mousse and I'm going to swoop them. Please don't judge my baby hairs. I'm not good at them. There are going to be some stragglers that get in the way of your beautiful look, but don't let them. Okay, just cut them. I finished the edges off camera. They're not even super duper finished, but they're finished enough. I am going to take some Got2b glue, just a little on my finger, wave it, let it dry, just a little, and I'm going to dab it on here in the middle. I'm going to let that rest for a little bit, and then I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to flatten it out. You don't need to do this because it is glueless, but I like the extra security like I said. I'm gonna take my hot comb. Now let's straighten this. Ooh, that straightens so fast. Y'all, this is only 10 inches and it looks like longer. Alright, I'm gonna do this part off of camera and then I'm gonna come back, show you guys, and tell you what I think of the wig. So, my final thought. Okay, so I went and straightened it. It's flowy. It's a little bit choppy of a straighten job because I'm not the best at all of that, but that's okay. I am going to go back into my cream kit. I'm going to take the shade I put on the lace before. I'm going to flatten it out real good. And I'm going to go in the part. For the final touch, I'm going to take some temporary spray, my rat tail comb. I'm going to put it on the part like so. I'm going to just sharpen my... I made it a little crooked, but that's okay. It's sharpened up. That is the bob. Finished. Now let me tell you what I think of the hair overall. I know it probably took me a little second, but after you style it, it is really good to go. Like, of course, you know, fresh out the pack, you don't have to wear it like that, but once you install it, do a little touch up on the straighten. It straightens really easily. I mean, it straightens like butter. All you gotta do is go over one good time. You can do 2. I did 2 in certain sections just for extra good measure. But honestly, you really don't even need all of that, just one good time. This is a glueless wig, and I usually do not feel this way about glueless wigs. I do not be the biggest fan, but this right here is my jam. This is cute. Now I look like I'm ready to go in somebody's office. I don't look like a stressed out mama now. Now I look like a professional businesswoman. That's how bobs make me feel. I mean, you can look like what you want to look like in a bob, but to me, they feel like professional businesswomen. Now imagine this with a full beat too. I'm not gonna fully beat my face right now. I just got on some lashes, a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm good to go right now. And it's still eating. I still look like a professional honey. This is a good throw on wig. I could just snatch this off and I'd be good. I'm not about to because I look real cute and now I feel like I gotta find somewhere to go. But yeah. Hair quality, I'm gonna give this a 10 because it really is soft. It's really soft. It does not feel cheap. It's not tangling at all. I've had some even short hair wigs tangle when you run your fingers through. This isn't tangling at all. This is just going through. It styles very easily. It's a very nice quick install. I mean, it really is good to go. The only problem with it is the baby hairs, and that's my fault. Aisi hair, you did that. You ate that down. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you think of the wig down below, and let me know if you want to check it out too. It was a very fair, affordable price. I think this hair was only like $35. What? You can't even go to the beauty supply and get a human hair wig for that price. So this hair, $35, $38 with taxes. Boom. Okay? Hit up Amazon. Stop sleeping on their wigs. Especially if you know you just need something quick to throw on and you're not trying to do too much. This is perfect. You don't have to have your multiple $100 wig just to go to Walmart real quick. You can still look like a baddie and just run your errands, or still look like a baddie and go to work 5 days a week and look all cute. And because it's just a throw on wig, it will last longer. You don't have to wear this for the whole month. You could like take it off at night so it won't get messed up. You know, like, those are the pros of a glueless wig. If you guys seen any of my other wig review, installation videos, all of that, then you know this is probably one of my best ones yet. And it's a glueless wig. And if you've seen some of my other videos, or if you know me personally, you already know glueless wigs are not my favorite. So for me to really love this hair and love this wig, which I do, it has to be a prime time contender. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe or think about subscribing. It is a fun community and I love you all. But if you are an OG, then thank you guys again for your continued support. I appreciate it so much more than you realize, and I love you guys. So if you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K, and thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out.